Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In this video, we'll be discussing about a successful Google Ads campaign. If you watch this video, you'll get to know how to optimize the campaign on a daily basis, weekly basis, and monthly basis. And I'm gonna show you how I structured the campaign, how I optimize the campaign, and how you can make the campaign and optimize the campaign for your Google Ads. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get started. So you can see over here, one of my clients Google Ads account, and I have sorted the date range from 20 January till today. Okay, so you can see over here we have generated 996 clicks, and conversion was 70, cost per conversion 40, and average or a total cost was 2.82K. Okay, so if I try to show you the landing page, so what are the conversions actually? So if I go to this landing page, then you can see over here this is our landing page. So if someone click on it, then we are collecting leads, so full name, email, and phone number. Okay, so whenever a user submit this form, they will be redirected to a thank you page. Okay, so you can see over here, so whenever they fill up their information and click start your valuation now, then they will be redirected to this thank you page. So if I try to show you the tag manager, then you can see over here this is a conversion linker tag, Google Ads request code, thank you page. Okay, so I am using Google Ads enhanced conversion, and you can see over here I'm using the local storage for storing the data. So you can see over here we are using local storage, first name, last name, email, and phone number. So why am I using local storage? Actually, if I provide the information from here, then I'm gonna redirect to this page. So the informations are not in the thank you page. So that's why we need to collect this information from this section, and then we are gonna be retrieving them in the thank you page. So for storing them, I'm using local storage, and then I'm gonna retrieve them. Okay. Perfect. So if you don't know how to set up Google Ads enhanced conversion, then please feel free to knock me. I am gonna use local storage if you're using thank you page URL, or if you are using element visibility, then I'm gonna use some custom HTML for setting up your enhanced conversion. Okay, perfect. Then if I go to there, then if I go to the goal section, then you can see over here, just wait a little bit. It is loading, just wait a little bit. So if I scroll down, then you will see Google Ads conversion request a code. Thank you. So 69 conversions. So it is active. Okay. So this is how we are observing the campaign, or setting up Google Ads conversion tracking. Okay. So let's talk about the campaign. So if you go to our landing page, then you can see over here. So this is basically a valuation software company. They used to provide business valuation. So they are in Western Australia, New South Wales. So if you need any valuations for your company, then you can contact them. Okay, they are providing quality services. Then let's talk about the campaign. Okay, so if I go to the campaign, then you can see over here currently I'm running only one campaign, lead search, business valuation online. Okay, then you can see our daily budget is 60 Australian dollar. Okay, then campaign type is obviously search. Then after having most probably 100 conversions, we are gonna be working on performance max along with search. Okay, so we have got more than 7K impression. We have got 998 clicks. Conversion is 70. Can you see the CTR? More than 13%, 13.78%. Average CPC 2.84. Total spend almost 3K Australian dollar, and you can see the conversion rate more than 7%. Okay, so soon we are going to be touching 10% conversion rate. Okay, then you can see over here search top impression share more than 11%, search absolute top 22%, impression top impression share more than 70%. Okay, and if I try to show you, we're using maximize conversion as our bidding strategy, and our cost per conversion is $40. Okay, so if I click on the campaign, then you can see over here we are using 3 ad groups in one campaign so that we can test which one is performing well. Okay, so you can see over here these two are enabled, and this one is paused because of the campaign, because of the ad group performance. You can see over here, so I have sorted it using the conversion. So you can see business valuation calculator, this ad group has got 47 conversion, whereas business valuation online has got 22, and this one has got only 1. That's why I have paused this ad group. Okay, so I would request you or suggest you to use multiple ad groups so that you can test, and on the basis of performance you can either pause it and you can scale it. Okay, so you can see over here, if I try to show you the conversion for these 2 ad groups, active ad groups. So business valuation calculator 47 conversion, this one business valuation online 22 conversion. So this one has got more conversion and this one has got less conversion. But if I try to show you the conversion rate, then you can see this ad group has got 10.58% conversion rate, and this one has got 6.10% conversion rate. So that's why I'm not pausing this ad group, because it might get the uh, low amount of conversion. But if you see the conversion rate, this one is outperforming this one. Okay, that's why I have enabled this one. So I'm gonna monitor these two for another 1 month, then I can take a decision. Okay, and if I see the conversion rate is better, then I'm gonna continue this ad group. Otherwise I'll pause and I'm gonna copy this, and then maybe I can create another uh, ad group. Okay, perfect. So if I try to show you one of the ad groups performance, so unfortunately I'll not be able to show the keywords. Okay, so let's go to the auction insight report. Okay, so you can see over here, this is us. Our impression share is better than all of our competitors. That means we are beating everyone. 18.31%. Can you see the top of the page rate more than 71%, absolute top almost 24%. Okay, then if I try to show you the search terms, then you can see over here we have added the necessary search terms. Okay, then if I make this row to 2000, then to actually 200, then you can see I have excluded some search terms which are not necessary. Actually I am making this as negative keywords which are not necessary. You can see I have added this one and excluded this one. Excluding means I'm making this keywords as negative keywords. Okay, so you can see I'm optimizing on the basis of performance. Okay, then where and when ads are showed. Okay, so here I'm optimizing this device optimization on the basis of weekly. Okay, on the basis of week, like I used to do weekly optimization for the device. So if I sort it by last 7 days, then you can see In last 7 days, the conversion rate for computer is 10%. So that's why I have increased the bid adjustment by 5% for the computer, and the tablet is not performing well. That's why I have uh, decreased the bid adjustment by 100% for tablets, Then if I try to show you the ads performance, so let's sort it from January 20 till today. Then you can see I'm running 3 ads. Okay, so I'm running 3 ads because I can test so many things. I can test on the basis of performance, and on the basis of performance I can either pause the uh, ads, and I can uh, duplicate or create a new ads. Okay, so if I try to show you the results, then you can see over here. So this one has got 39 conversion, whereas this one has got 7 conversion, and this one has got only 1 conversion, because I have created these ads 2 days back. Okay, that's why, because I was initially running these 2 campaign, and this one was outperforming this one in terms of conversions. So that's why I have duplicated this one and made some changes to this one and keep this on running. And I'm gonna monitor this for next 30 days, and on the basis of performance I'm gonna either pause the ads or scale the ads. Okay, so uh, I'm running normal responsive search set for this ads, and this one I'm using dynamic keyword insertion, and for this ads I am using pinned headline and pinned description. So if I try to show you for a moment, then you can see over here pinned some headlines and pinned some description. Okay, perfect. Then if I go to the assets section, then you will be able to see I'm optimizing them on a monthly basis. Okay, so if I sort it by conversions, then you can see this lead form extension has got 21 conversions. So this one has got 3 conversion, this one has got 2 conversions. Okay, so you can optimize the asset performance on a monthly basis. Then I'll go to the audience section. Unfortunately, I'll not be able to show the keywords. I'm going to go to the audience section, and I'm optimizing them on a weekly basis. That's why I'm going to sort it using last 7 days. Okay, let's select the date range last 7 days. I'm going to click on apply. I'll click on show more. So you can see the age-wise performance data. Okay, so let's sort it by conversion rate. So you can see over here from 18 to 24, this age range has got more than 33% conversion rate. That's why I have increased the bid adjustment for these age ranges. Okay, so you can review it on a weekly basis. Then I'll go to the gender section. So female, let's sort it by conversion. Okay, so you can see over here female has got 4 conversions in last 7 days. That's why I have increased the bid adjustment for female by 5%. Then household income, uh, let's click on household income, show more. So you can see over here the conversion rate For this one is really performing well, so most probably I have optimized it yesterday, that's why. Okay, so let's change this one because this one has got 50% conversion rate. So I have increased the bid adjustment for 41 to 50% household income by 5%. Okay, then let's review last 30 days data. Then we're going to be selecting the campaign and see the location performance. So we'll select the location and we're going to be selecting the campaign, which is lead search business valuation. So you can see over here, I have sorted this KPI using conversions. So New South Wales has got 20 conversions in last 30 days and Victoria has got 14 conversions. Uh, so I should make this 6% and this one 4%. Okay, so I'm making this 6% and this one 4% because I had changed or I had a look on the location on last week. That's why I had increased for this by 6% and this one by 4%. Okay, because the data has changed for last 7 days. That's why we should look at this data on a monthly basis. Okay, so this is how you can optimize the campaign. Okay, and let's select this again from January 20 to March 5. I'm going to click on apply. So you can see the device performance. You can see the top sources from here. Okay, you can see uh the ads and the CTR from here, and you can see the top signals for your bid strategy from this overview section. Okay, so this is how you can optimize your Google Ads, and you can optimize them on a daily basis, weekly basis, and monthly basis. You can check the search term report on every 48 to 72 hours. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. Hopefully you have liked our video. If you like our video, then you can subscribe our channel, follow our page. You have a good day. Bye bye.